I wanted to fly the American flag in my yard, but I didn't have a flagpole. I didn't want to buy one of those cheap overseas made poles, so I made my own. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this 24-foot pole that ought to last a lifetime. If that interests you, let's get started. I want this flagpole to be at least 20 feet tall. I want it to be heavy duty enough to withstand high wind loading, and I want to be able to put more than one flag on it. I went to my local hardware store and I bought 3 lengths of galvanized chain link fence posts. These posts are galvanized, so I'm going to use some acid and we're going to strip that zinc plating off. To try and keep this flagpole as straight as possible, I've laid it on my concrete floor and I've sat it in the expansion joint. That expansion joint is really straight. The pipe fits nicely into it so it won't roll. For the pulleys on this flagpole, I'm using some 1/2-inch fixed pulleys, and I've mounted those to the flagpole using some chain link tension clamps. If this upper pulley ever comes loose, it's going to be a lot of trouble to fix. I decided to ensure that that doesn't happen to tack weld the clamp in place. We've got this piece of 4-inch steel pipe sticking out of the ground that a previous owner put in. I'm not sure what it was originally used for, but I think it'll be a good base for the flagpole. The ID of this post is 3.5 inches. The flagpole is only 2 3/8. So to take up that gap, to center the pole in this pipe, I've decided to drill some holes, tap those, and use some bolts. This will let me center the flagpole. It will also provide a good solid way to hold it in place. My initial plan was to set the end of the pole on top of the post, climb a ladder, and lever it into place. This flagpole is only 40 pounds, but at 24 feet, it's a really long lever. I simply wasn't strong enough to get it up in the air and lever it into place. After giving it some thought, I decided to put the ladder over top of the post, lift the pole straight up, and drop it into place. That worked surprisingly well. To provide a tie down for the end of the rope, I used a stainless steel boat cleat. This one is held in place with 4 bolts. I drilled the post, tapped it, and then I bolted the cleat to the post. The flag is held to the rope using a pair of swivel snap hooks. I've added a second pair about a foot below the American flag, so that I can fly my state flag as well. It's been several years since I made this video and I never published it. I just didn't like it. Today is the 250th anniversary of our independence, and I thought, what a perfect video for July 4th. The flags, the pole, they look just as good today as they looked the day I put them up. So that's it for today's video. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.